Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect wireless mouse to your laptop. Okay, so I have that wireless mouse. Whether you can see, this is the on off button. This is the on off button. This is the inverse optic. Open it. And this is the USB receiver of that wireless mouse. This is the USB receiver. Okay, now insert that cell over there. Insert it. Okay, now it is successfully inserted. After it, close it. Okay, now this is the USB receiver. Connect to your laptop USB port. Over there a USB port is available. Connect it over there. Okay, now it is successfully connected. After it, turn it on over there. Turn it on. Okay, so now your mouse is successfully connected. Over there you can see now the mouse is successfully connected to your laptop. So friends, this is the method to connect a wireless mouse to your laptop easily. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, comment below in comment section. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.